Hello, welcome to Infine Fetal's special series on heart health. Today we are going to talk about cardiovascular diseases and what they are and what causes them. Cardiovascular diseases are a group of disorders that affect the system that has your heart at the center, which is known as the cardiovascular system. This system includes the heart itself, the blood vessels of the brain, and all other blood vessels of the body. Cardiovascular diseases are leading causes of death worldwide. Over 17.9 million people, mostly from low and middle income countries, die from cardiovascular diseases including heart attacks and strokes every year. What are some of the causes of cardiovascular diseases? Certain people are born with conditions that predispose them to getting cardiovascular diseases. However, for most people, getting a cardiovascular disease is because of the existence of certain risk factors that puts one at risk of developing these diseases. You will not necessarily develop a cardiovascular disease because you have one risk factor. However, the greater the number of risk factors you have, the higher the risk of you developing a cardiovascular disease. And it's very important that you work towards mitigating these risks so that they do not put you in ill health. Many of the risk factors that cause cardiovascular diseases are a problem because they lead to what is known as atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is the narrowing and thickening of blood vessels known as arteries. This is because there is the deposition of fatty material, cholesterol, and other substances in the walls of these blood vessels or arteries. A ruptured plaque can cause a stroke or a heart attack. Atherosclerosis may develop for years without any symptoms or any signs showing. So it is very important that we check our cholesterol levels from time to time, as well as other risk factors of cardiovascular diseases. That does it for today's episode of our series on heart health. Watch out for the next episode where we go deep into the risk factors of cardiovascular diseases. My name is Nana.